Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to collage on Pinterest, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to Pinterest. Open your web browser the way you normally do, like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar at the top, type pinterest.com and press enter. You should see the familiar Pinterest homepage load, with pictures and ideas arranged in a grid. Now, log into your account, look toward the top right corner and click the Login button. A small window appears asking for your email and password. Type those in carefully, then click the red Login button below. If your details are correct, your personal Pinterest feed appears, with pins based on your interests. Once you are signed in, look to the left side of the screen and click Create. You will see a vertical menu on the left, and Create is usually near the middle with a small plus symbol. Move your mouse over it, then click once. A small menu will open, showing the different things you can make on Pinterest. From there, select Collage. In that Create menu, you will see Collage as one of the options. Click on Collage once. Pinterest now opens the Collage workspace, with a large blank area in the center where your collage will appear. On the right side, you will see options for images and pins to use. Next up, choose a pin from the right side, or upload an image from your computer. On the right panel, you should see a list or grid of your pins ready to use. Click one time on a pin to select it as a starting point. If you want to use a picture that is not on Pinterest yet, look for the option that says Upload from Computer in that same right panel. Click it, then choose the image file from your computer. Once selected, the image appears in the collage area, so you know it is ready. With that ready, click the plus on a pin to add it to your collage. As you move your mouse over each pin on the right, you will see a small plus symbol appear on or near the image. Click that plus symbol to drop that pin into your collage area. Each time you click the plus on another pin, it gets added to the center workspace. A common mistake is clicking the image itself instead of the plus, which can open the pin instead of adding it, so always aim for the plus icon. If you want to use only part of a pin, select it and choose Add Cutout. In the collage area, click once on the pin you want to trim, then look for the option that says Add Cutout, usually appearing as a small button or menu near or above the selected image. Click Add Cutout, and Pinterest will highlight the object it detects in the picture, such as a person or item. This lets you keep only that part and remove the background, so the object can sit neatly on your collage. After that, add more images or pins. Continue looking at the right side panel for more pins you like. Click the plus on each one you want and watch them appear in the collage area. You can also upload extra images from your computer the same way you did before, using the Upload option on the right. You can always remove an item later by selecting it in the collage area and using the delete control that appears, so you do not have to worry about adding too many. Now rearrange and edit the items in your collage. Click and drag each image in the collage area to move it where you want. Use the corner handles on an item to make it larger or smaller while you drag. You can also rotate some items slightly if Pinterest shows a curved handle near the corners. If you overlap items, the order they stack in changes the way your collage looks. Many beginners do not realize you can click an item again to adjust it as often as you like until the layout feels right. When you are finished, click Next. Look toward the top or bottom right corner of the collage editor for the Next button. Click it once when you are happy with your layout. Pinterest will move you from the editing screen to a details screen. Your collage preview now appears smaller, usually on one side, with text boxes ready for you to fill in. At this point, add your collage details. You will see fields for things like a title, description, and board. Click into the title box and type a short, clear name so you can recognize this collage later. Then add a brief description to explain what the collage is about, which also helps Pinterest show it to the right people. Choose a board to save it to, so it is organized with similar content, and remember you can change this board later by editing the pin. Finally, click Publish. Look for the red Publish button, usually near the bottom or top right of the details area. Click it once, and Pinterest saves your collage and adds it to the board you selected. After a moment, you will see a confirmation and your finished collage will be live on your profile, ready for you or others to view. You have just created and published a custom collage on Pinterest from start to finish. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.